So I need to make a special one of each of these bus bars for these packs made of the 2700 batteries, because they are slightly bigger. When I put them on the wall together side by side like this, if the bus bar is coming out directly in the middle here, it will not line up with this one. It'll be a bit high, so I need to make a special bus bar on this one that will sit low enough that it will line up perfectly with the next one along, so that I can still clamp them together. And I have to remember, of course, that the ridged side is not the side that I'm going to be putting the 4-cell holder on. So it has to be the smooth side. So this side, so it'll sit on its bracket like that, and this bus bar needs to come out to be level with this one, and the one on this side needs to come out to be level with the next battery that would go here. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. So that's about right. I'll just clamp that on. Now, before I can put these packs together properly, I need to just put a dab of glue on the bottom of each of these Dyson cells, because as you can see, it's not very tight, and that's because these cell holders are meant for 21700 cells, but these Dyson batteries are 2700 cells, so these are 1 millimeter in diameter smaller than this hole, so you see it moves around in there. So what I'm going to do is just put a little blob of glue on each one just to keep them tight. So I'll do that first. Okay, so that is done. So I just need to put the top on. Okay, so now I just need to stick the bus bars on this one. Okay, so that's done. So now these bars are level, so that when I have it standing on against the wall on a platform, these lugs will line up, and then a bolt can go through here to join them together. And it should be the same for the one that would come on the other side as well. So again, they would line up like that.